Volenti non fit injuria. To a willing person, no injury is done. This doctrine is a defense in tort law. It means that if someone voluntarily consents to a risk, they cannot later complain or sue for injuries resulting from that risk. It assumes that the injured party had knowledge of the risk and voluntarily accepted the risk. For example, if a person participates in a boxing match and gets injured, they cannot sue their opponent for physical injuries because they voluntarily took the risk inherent in the sport. It is important, however, to consider that the consent must be free and informed. It does not apply if the person was coerced, misled, or unaware of the risk, and it may not be valid in employer-employee relationships or if there is gross negligence or recklessness involved. Another example, Mario joined a community basketball tournament. Before the game started, all players were briefed that it would be a full contact event and they signed waivers acknowledging the risks involved. During the game, Mario attempted a layup and Antonio, a player from the opposing team, blocked the shot and accidentally hit Mario's face with his elbow, resulting in a broken nose. Mario sues Antonio for damages, claiming serious physical injury. Antonio's best defense is volenti non fit injuria because Mario assumed the risks of playing a contact sport. Mario willingly participated in a full contact sport and was informed of the risks involved. By doing so, he accepted the inherent dangers, including accidental injuries. Under the doctrine of volenti non fit injuria, a person who consents to a known risk cannot later on claim damages arising from that risk. Antonio's act was not malicious and the injury occurred within the scope of the sport. Here is a third example. Ramon was employed as a lion tamer in a traveling circus. Despite being warned that one of the lions had recently shown signs of aggression, Ramon insisted on performing his act without additional safety measures. During a routine performance, the lion attacked Ramon, causing serious injuries. Ramon sued the circus for damages, claiming that the employer was negligent in allowing the performance to continue. Under the principle of volenti non fit injuria, a person who voluntarily consents to a known risk cannot later complain of injury resulting from that risk. Ramon was fully aware of the danger and still chose to proceed with the performance. Although employers do have general duty of care, that duty may be diminished or negated if the injured party knowingly and voluntarily assumed the risk. Ramon voluntarily assumed the risk inherent in his dangerous occupation and was fully aware of the lion's behavior. Hence, based on the doctrine of volenti non fit injuria, he is not entitled to damages.